Welcome to AI Waves, your weekly guide to the most useful AI tools you should be using right now. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, here are the top 5 AI tools that can actually make your life easier this week. First up is Gumloop. Think of it as a smarter, AI-powered version of Zapier. It lets you automate tasks, connect different apps together, and build workflows using AI decisions, all without writing code. If you're running content, e-commerce, or productivity systems, Gumloop helps you automate the boring stuff so you can spend more time creating. It's one of the most underrated automation tools right now. Next is Notion AI. If you use Notion for planning, Notion AI takes it to another level. It can summarize meetings, brainstorm ideas, outline videos, and even help you plan your entire week. It's great for creators, startups, or anyone building a system to stay organized. If you're doing a weekly series like this one, Notion AI makes the planning process way faster. Third on the list is Canva Magic Studio. This one is perfect for creators. You can generate thumbnails, edit images, create social media graphics, or make short videos in minutes. Canva's AI tools save a ton of time and keep everything looking clean and professional. If you're outsourcing editing, this is a great way to provide your editor with assets that match your brand. Fourth is ElevenLabs. This is the tool used to create the voice you're hearing right now. ElevenLabs lets you clone your voice, generate new voiceovers, or switch between different tones instantly. If you want to upload consistently or build multiple faceless channels, cloning your voice with ElevenLabs can save hours and keep your content sounding polished. And finally, Runway ML Runway is one of the best AI video tools available today. You can generate B-roll, create animations, remove backgrounds, or even produce entire scenes with just a prompt. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, short-form content, or building a brand, Runway helps you create polished visuals without needing a huge production team. So there you have it, 5 AI tools you should try this week. If you end up using one of them, let me know in the comments which one helped you the most. And if you want weekly updates on the best tools, trends, and breakthroughs in AI, make sure to subscribe to AI Waves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.